people, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am Medha and today we're on a very interesting quest. This is Delhi versus Gurgaon Food Edition. Delhi's Bengali market and Rajouri garden rule the Pani Puri game. पर गुड़गांव के हुडा मार्केट को भी कुछ कहना है. So tangy. It's also slightly spicy. I mean, it depends on your spice tolerance. It's amazing though. गोलगप्पे fully customizable होते हैं और यहाँ पे तो स्पेशली यहाँ पे इतना सारा मसाला है एंड मतलब बहुत टैंगी, थोड़ा खट्टा, थोड़ा तीखा. डिपेंड्स ऑन हाउ मच तीखा यू लाइक, उस हिसाब से भी बना सकते हैं. एंड पर्सनली मुझे मटर और आलू का कॉम्बिनेशन एज अ फिलिंग बहुत पसंद आया. सो this is a 10 on 10 experience for me when it comes to Golgappe. Let's go to the next location. Next up, we are going to try kulfi, जो इतनी गर्मी में बहुत important है. रोशनदी कुल्फी और कूरेमल are royalty. पर let's find out what Gurgaon is scooping up. We are at Gyani's to try their kulfi and let's see what all flavors they have. They literally have so much variety of kulfi. They have इतने सारे flavors: मलाई, dry fruit, केसर पिस्ता, गुलकंद पान. It's a classic, very Roshni kulfi style, but it has the perfect texture and it's not too icy, also quite creamy. Next up, we're going to try छोले भटूरे. और कोई ऐसे वैसे छोले भटूरे नहीं, सिविल लाइंस वाले के फेमस छोले भटूरे. Wow! This looks amazing. I can't wait to dig in. You see कितना thick और fluffy है ये. And the छोले, they look spicy. Wow, मसालेदार है, गरम गरम, very very good, fluffy, thick छोले, बहुत thick छोले हैं और मज़ा आ गया. Very delicious. छोले भटूरे बिल्कुल भी ऑयली नहीं है, which is very like rare to find in Delhi NCR. बहुत अच्छे क्रिस्पी हैं and इन्होंने इतना प्यारा सेटअप बना रखा है, पूरे शेड लगा रखे हैं कि इन केस अगर आप धूप में भी आओ ना तो you can easily come here, आराम से खाना खाओ. And definitely I can see why this is so famous. It's very tasty. I think this is one of my favorite lunch spots now. I'm gonna keep coming here. Wait, did you think we'll forget about momos? No way, we love momos and that's why we're here at Cafe Lanka. This is a Himalayan cafe and that's why we're gonna try their momos first. I know Delhi के momos iconic होते हैं, चाहे वो अवंतिका के street style momos हो या डोलमा आंटी का taste या फिर यति का ऑथेंटिक टेस्ट. लेकिन आज हम एक्सप्लोर करने जा रहे हैं कैफे लंका को. दिस प्लेस हैज अ यूनिक हिमालयन ट्विस्ट in its vibe as well, and that's not it. It also has a hidden speakeasy and bar. This place has such a unique variety of momos. I mean, there are things that I have never heard of before. What I heard from the chef, they're like very tiny small momos. Probably really cute. There's Farsi ko momo, Poleko momo. So we've ordered the Poleko momo and they basically come brushed with a yogurt marinade. So that could be fun. They look so good. Amazing. Let me explain it to you. So it's very soft from the inside. You can just dig into it. And from the outside, it is like kind of crunchy, but not entirely crunchy, just slightly more. But the chicken filling is also so good. I can pull it apart like this, and it slightly has a harder shell, and from the inside it's actually quite juicy. It's also filled very well. काफी सारा chicken है इसके अंदर. The chicken is very well cooked, honestly. And it has like onions and chicken, and I think I can taste the yogurt, but in the best way possible. I mean, I didn't even think that yogurt would be so great with chicken and momos. It's amazing. What an amazing day this was. We had golgappe, we had kulfi, we had chole bhature, and we had momos, and everything was extremely delicious. What should we try next? Comment down below and tell us. And if you like this video, like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.